I'm going to show you how to add a page, so duplicate a page and then link it to your page, to your projects. So your projects are here. I want to probably use this as my title. I go to my left browser here, and then I go to this little gear icon, and then scroll right down, duplicate page, and then I want to retitle this. So I'll paste, and then I'll put the little dashes in. I'll take out of, just to make it as minimal as possible. And then we've done that. I'm going to move that down right below the first project, so it's all in order and organized. So now you've got the same information in this, so you just need to double click on these and change the information. And you can add blocks and all that kind of thing. So now we've got this live, we go back to the projects and we link it just like we did in the other video. So we double click on here. We double click on this image, and then we want to link it. So we do link on image, and then we click the gear icon. We want to go to page, search, find the project, and we keep it open within the website internally. Save that, and it's linked, and then save it up here so it's all saved. And that's how you duplicate a project. Hope that was helpful.